Alright, we got a 2013 Toyota Camry Hybrid LE 2.5 liter. We're going to be replacing the air filter. So in order to replace the air filter, we just got to open this tab here, this one, and there should be another one back here. Alright, this one doesn't have it, so let's just go on ahead. Once those are out, lift it up, pull up, and that's going to take it out. Grab your air filter, put it to the side. Grab your brand new one over here, go ahead and install it, hold that open and install. Once that goes in, make sure these locking tabs back here enter, and once those enter in, go ahead and lift this up, now lock in, and same goes for this one over here. Just pull up, and until you hear it click in, that's how you do it. And that's how you replace your air filter.